Are you tired of being overlooked or ignored by the women you're interested in? Do you often wonder what it takes to become an attractive man who can effortlessly capture a woman's attention? Look no further as we delve into the secrets of how to really attract women. From building confidence and kindness to defining your purpose and taking the lead, we will explore the various traits that make a man irresistible to the opposite of physical intimacy. Get ready to transform yourself into the man that every woman desires as we unlock the keys to becoming a truly attractive individual. Number 1. Always act confident. When it comes to attracting women, there are a lot of tips and tricks out there, but there's one thing that always seems to be at the top of the list: confidence. And it's not just some vague idea. It's been proven time and time again in studies and real-life experiences. Think about it. Have you ever been around someone who exudes confidence? Maybe it's the way they carry themselves, or the way they speak. Whatever it is, you can't help but be drawn to them. And women are no exception. In fact, there was a study that compared two groups of men. One group was given a scented spray to wear, while the other group was given an unscented spray. The guys wearing the scented spray reported feeling more confident. And get this, the women who were shown pictures of both groups found the men wearing the scented spray more attractive, even though they couldn't smell a thing. But why does confidence make such a big difference? Well, when you're confident, you radiate an air of capability and self-assurance, and that's incredibly attractive to women. They want to be with someone who knows what they want and isn't afraid to go after it. So if you're looking to attract women, work on building up your confidence. It might not be easy at first, but the more you practice, the more natural it will become. And before you know it, you'll be the kind of guy that women can't resist. Number 2, be kind. When it comes to attracting women, it's easy to get caught up in the idea that you need to be some kind of suave, smooth-talking playboy. But the truth is, one of the most attractive qualities a man can have is kindness. Think about it. When you meet someone who is genuinely kind, it has a way of putting you at ease. You feel safe and cared for in their presence, and that's exactly the kind of energy that women are drawn to. In fact, there's a theory in psychology called the halo effect that explains how we tend to assume that one aspect of a person's personality is indicative of their entire character. So if you're perceived as kind, people are likely to assume that you're also a hard worker, a good listener, and a generous person. But it gets even better. Studies have actually shown that being perceived as kind can make you more attractive in the eyes of others. That's right, being a genuinely nice guy can actually make you more appealing to women. So if you're looking to up your attraction factor, start by cultivating kindness. Do nice things for others, volunteer your time, and treat everyone with respect and compassion. It might not be the flashy approach, but trust us, it works. Number 3, display selflessness. We've all heard the saying that nice guys finish last. But the truth is, there's nothing more attractive than a man who is selfless and compassionate. Think about it. When you meet someone who is genuinely concerned about the needs and wants of others, it's a breath of fresh air. And when it comes to attracting women, this quality can be an absolute game changer. A selfless man is someone who is always willing to lend a helping hand without expecting anything in return. He doesn't complain or make a big deal about inconveniences. He just does what needs to be done. And here's the thing. When a woman sees you being selfless with others, it sends a powerful message. It shows her that you're the kind of guy who is willing to make sacrifices to make her happy too. It demonstrates that you're dependable, reliable, and trustworthy. So if you want to attract the right kind of woman, start by cultivating a spirit of selflessness. Offer to help out whenever you can. Show respect for the needs and wants of others, and put aside your own ego in favor of doing what's best for those around you. In the end, being a selfless man is about more than just attracting women. It's about making the world a better place, one small act of kindness at a time. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons to show your support. If you've done that, let's continue. Number 4, invest in yourself. As a man, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that your worth and value are determined by external factors. How much money you make, how many friends you have, or how attractive you are to women. But the truth is, the most attractive thing a man can do is invest in himself. When you take the time to focus on your own personal growth and development, it sends a powerful message to the world and to the women you're trying to attract. Investing in yourself means taking the time to figure out what really matters to you. It means pursuing your passions, setting goals, and working to become the best possible version of yourself. And here's the thing. When you invest in yourself, you become a more attractive man in every sense of the word. You become more confident, more self-assured, and more capable of achieving your dreams. But it's not just about becoming a better version of yourself for your own sake. When you invest in yourself, you become the kind of man that women are naturally drawn to. You become someone who is interesting, engaging, and passionate about life. On the other hand, if you're constantly looking to others to fulfill your needs and desires, you'll never truly be fulfilled. Women can sense this, and they know that a man who is not invested in himself will never be able to offer them the kind of relationship they truly desire. Number 5. Gain status. It's no secret that women are attracted to men with status, but it's not necessarily the status itself that draws them in. It's the perception that the man has of himself and his purpose in life. And the good news is that you don't need a fancy job or a lot of money to have status in the eyes of a woman. What you do need is a clear sense of your own purpose and a drive to pursue it. A man who knows what he wants in life and works hard to achieve it is inherently attractive to women. This doesn't mean you have to be a millionaire entrepreneur or a famous celebrity. It simply means that you have to define your own sense of purpose and work towards it every day. Women are drawn to men who are driven, passionate, and have a sense of direction in life. They want to be with someone who is confident in who he is and what he has to offer. So take some time to think about your goals and aspirations. What is it that you want to achieve in life? What are your passions and interests? Once you have a clear idea of what you want, you can start working towards it. Remember, having status isn't about what you have or what you do. It's about how you feel about yourself and your place in the world. A man who is confident in his own skin and knows what he wants is infinitely more attractive than one who is lost and unsure of his purpose. So, define your purpose, pursue your goals, and watch as women are naturally drawn to your sense of drive and purpose. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.